Hi, Mason. Okay, so I'm going to read you a myth, and as I read this myth out loud, it's called The Beaded Necklace. I want you to kind of keep your eyes on our anchor chart so that you remember what a myth, the characteristics of a myth, that they are trying to explain something about nature, that the characters might be gods or goddesses or fantastic creatures with special powers, and that the stories have been passed down by word of mouth, and that the stories were usually used to explain something that they didn't understand. Okay? Remember, use that space on 176 to draw or write anything that pops in your head as I'm reading the story. The Beaded Necklace. The gods and goddesses of ancient Greece did not care much for human beings. They were busy with their own lives. But their actions often affected the world and its people, sometimes for better, sometimes for worse. Artemis was the goddess of the wilderness and of hunting. She carried her bow and arrow and delighted in chasing down whatever it was she wanted. Sometimes it was an animal. Other times, like in this story, it was something much different. Demeter was goddess of agriculture. She was older and more graceful than Artemis, who was young and wild. Demeter wore a long, beautiful necklace of black oval beads. One day, Artemis decided that she wanted that necklace for herself. If I could capture Demeter's necklace and wear it around my own neck, then I would be the graceful one, she thought to herself. Artemis asked Hermes, the messenger of the gods, to tell Demeter to meet her in the woods. Artemis has caught a handsome deer for you to keep as a pet, he said to Demeter, not knowing he was telling a lie. Demeter was honored that Artemis would offer such a gift, so she hurried into the woods. But when she got there, Artemis trapped Demeter and tore the necklace from her neck. Now it is mine, Artemis yelled triumphantly. But the necklace had broken, and the beads flew in every direction. Some fell all the way to earth, where they slunk into the soil and disappeared. Over time, trees grew from the beads. The trees bore fruit that looked like the beads of Demeter's necklace, delicious black olives. Okay, so that's the end of the myth. Did it explain something about nature? Did it have gods or goddesses or fantastic creatures? And do you think it explained something about the natural world that they could not understand? Right, keep thinking, and you might want to re-listen to the story. I read it in class twice, so you might want to listen to it one more time and see if you can find all those characteristics in that myth. This week we're going to be reading a myth together in your reader. And we're going to see those same characteristics in the golden flower that we did in the beaded necklace. Have a great day.